Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pigi nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla. Ke National People's Party ni ke NPP, Meghalaya huwei tarik Risaw arhajar arpuar, ke Pdiang Burom ya uba Alan West, shah ke Kynhun. Uba West ubadei na ke arpu pra Sohra Constituency, ula shah Pdiang Burom ha Myntri Rangbah ke jylla, ubadei ru National President ke parti Conrad Sangma, ha ke jingiadon ryngkat lang Presiden ke NPP ha Meghalaya, Dr W R Kharlukhi, sembut Myntri ke jylla Bah Prestone Tynsong, ki nongtrei ke seng ki nongkyrshan, ibahaya nga sembat kiwei de.
Clap your hands. Clap to At the same time, I request our National President to give hand over the form to Bah Alan. Baji, please come inside. Baji. Dr. Party State President yang avoid to form Hai Balan. Kapti. So I request.
Second, you pay ba ban penkala ya ke kabor ka shong hau pay ba. Tingai kuble pi paro khat ki belaywan ha ni kasngi pi kilong kame kilong pa ki nongkyrshan ki jong iba Alan West.
Ha kita ki por mengi don mengi forum ru ka susakut na to. Nakatadaw hi kini ki bre ki babun kam. Ki hab handle mde isu te tang isu jong suara sibun. Lada ki nong yalam jong ki badon mensua ki mlit pen kun mau, pasrai ki kun mau. Don bok ngaru atu kopor bawan Bah Prestone wang ai ngapen kun mau tapi ka isu jong ka ni ka suara. Jong to. Baling ang sarung mentasi, adon kadaw. Dang mensam tayo nglai i ka jing kia jong ki. Sila khot ka forum. Nilai keren siai, mendai basu ya keren hari untuk siali yakiar mo, siali tangda berukom. Haji sia i PS yung CM yung nga AP oporang khatsan minute. Yung siong si kentas teng, because we want to deliberate on the issue. Kani kamde kam kai, bansuya rai no ang tutu siali no antuntu. Dengan dasong on behalf of the forum ngarung ada member. Ada penpau jing sungguh yang ni sorkar bakal simkhia yang mentah sasisen ke isu district. Bang ada sungguh bila ong ya UCS reinitiate biang ya proses bat kumbakalong mentaling am idon daw syu pakan slam situ ang ni kinong sora ki minti Christmas gift tena kata ong bang ni sorkar kalau peni bakal le sibun ki kam ya ini isu district yang sora am try gende kicing Ahmad Dungki
ni jingelang na kata ka unemployment problem ngakwa banong tang kiwei na kalian sorkar lada pidon kanu ka suggestion ka jingkhang jong ka secretariat ka play omdei ba ka play hamadan malki lane hamadan polis bejar ngi play je ka jingkhang ka secretariat ngau bahawan mdei banilap mit ke shobriu kata kade kubor ka bangakwa man ai ka bas long strong adu kata-kata meno ba pinong ba u Conrad baru Prestone kim ju kendu ya pi haba pe bu ka appointment mengi kendu ngilong ready bani kendu ai jingot ngin ye keren bad ya ka ka badai namangi don hang ni mdei bangi kwa ban ong ba ka ba ong mangi ka badai lut nrengi kwa ban ong ba ka ba ong mapiru de ka badai katakin ke sorkar namar ka sorkar ban syakri yau pait ba da u pait ba dengan kwa ban keren na ka basyai nagraw na kaliang jong ka party nga kwa ban ong sa sizin pat ka jingkemen ga bakrao ngamar ba ka jingwan jon yung ba alan ka ay mensim sibun yang ikum ka parti batru ia ka blueprint ga jong i nging ya sibkia hadu kata-kata nak kata daw ka banga kerpat ia pi kin nong yalam jong ka parti kin nong yalam nakaliang jong ibalan ibla jon ka parti tongin penpriang ia kena ka kubor lada pikwa banyo i baka ka jingkela kandon hapo Sohra ban emla ban penyaklat ia ka Sohra bat ka Shila ngan su ong bet katain Sohra katain Shila ngatrai ka de ka por mentah bangin jit no yaki kandidat jong ka parti NPP bangin yo i ya kata ka jingkela namar hangte ka don ka pliang ksiar piong ka Sohra piong ka Shila ka de ka pliang ksiar syong satang ha ka jingnang ni jogi paitba ban pendon kam ya ka doble un kurku kodok lang yang ibaro un kurku kam
We had another leader who had joined the National People's Party from the Congress Party in Sohra Constituency. Bah Singh had joined us. And today we have Bah Alan who's joining us and his candidature has been declared. So like this, in almost 58 constituencies today, the National People's Party has identified candidates, potential candidates, and in most of them we have even announced them, and soon we will be announcing the rest of the candidates who we have not announced, but 58 constituencies as of now, we have identified our candidates. And that's a huge jump from what we had in the last election and what we have today. And this is a clear indication and a clear message that the people of Meghalaya, the leaders of Meghalaya today are looking towards NPP as a party that they believe in, a party that has proven itself in the last 4.5 years to be able to take the state forward and more importantly take up issues that were very critical to our people, that were not taken up in the past. But this government has taken those steps forward and moving it to the right conclusion. And that has led to the confidence building in the people, and that is why today we are seeing this kind of response in this particular election, where hundreds and thousands of people and other leaders from other political parties also today are leaving their political party and are joining the National People's Party. And once again, I thank God Almighty for this tremendous blessings that He has been giving to our party, and I thank the people of Meghalaya for having the faith and trust in our party to take our state forward.